Strong warnings of trouble ahead across Oregon as hospitals fill up. Welcome to KOIN 6 News at 11 o'clock. I'm Jeff Gianola.
And I'm Elizabeth Din. Today, the head of the Oregon Association of Hospitals warns we could go past the peak from the Delta surge we saw this past fall.
The next couple of weeks are going to be really tough, and it is important for people to understand that. There is a war going on in our hospitals against this virus that isn't visible to the public.
Right now, local hospitals are at 90% capacity. We spoke with researchers at OHSU who say relief won't even come for another 2 weeks.
And our Jenny Young has more insight from one of the doctors on that research team. I know you spoke with them. What did they say, Jenny?
Jeff, Elizabeth, tonight Oregon hospitals, COVID hospitalizations at a record high here in the state, but that doctor we spoke with says if we continue to be diligent with safety measures, then in the next few weeks, hospitals will likely not be overwhelmed. 981. That's the number of people hospitalized with COVID-19 in Oregon tonight. It's the highest number in the state since September 2021.
If you ask any system right now, they're full. There's not extra beds or certainly not extra staff to handle more. Every COVID patient is kind of taking a spot from somebody who, either had an emergency that comes up or a planned procedure that needs to be postponed or other type of hospital care.
KOIN 6 sat down with OHSU's Director of Advanced Analytics, Dr. Peter Graven. He's predicting the number of COVID-19 hospitalizations in Oregon will continue to increase through the next week and a half before falling. This graph we made based on Dr. Graven's forecast shows hospitalizations peaking on February 1st at about 1,550 cases. And after that, as you can see, the curve falls sharply.
You're pushing it down, but therefore you're also pushing it out. If we can spread this out over a couple months, then it's something where we can make sure people get the care they need.
Graven says he is predicting slightly less hospitalizations at the peak of the surge, thanks to Oregonians taking safety measures seriously.
Oregonians actually took a lot of actions to change their behavior that is slowing it down. It's slower than we would have expected before.
However, he tells us the key is to hang on for a few more weeks to maintain a rate that keeps hospitals from being overwhelmed.
Oregon has a real chance to indeed flatten the curve and not see some of the levels that you see on the East Coast and elsewhere.
Okay, so while the state's COVID hospitalizations are at a record high tonight, the number of ICU beds that are occupied by COVID patients, they're not that number not as high as we've seen in the past. And of course, the doctor says vaccination is the best way to prevent serious illness or death. Reporting live tonight, Jenny Young, KOIN 6 News.